fucking... Oh my...
I'm gonna take care of these zombies.
I really hope I broke his legs. I saw him drop. I saw blood splatter. Yep, he's down. He's freaking down.
There's two guys running.
Where? I'm getting shot at. Yep. See him. Oh my god, AK. I need help. Running into the trees. At his vision. Oh, dude, this is crazy.
I'm behind me and they don't see me.
Hit one. Hit him, he's dead, he's dead. One's dead. Fully geared, AK. Some
Reloading.
M4 maybe. This guy's right here, I need help. He's dead. No, he's not. He's hit. He's hit. He's trying to axe me. It's a full M4.
Fuck, I...
Killed him. Oh, I killed him. No, there's one more. Killed again. Killed another one. 3 of 4 of them dead.
Jesus, Vulcan. I only killed one of those guys.
4 kills. AK-7 for you. I need help.
I'm coming.
Oh, I dead. I died. Oh my god, there's one more. There's one more.
Yeah, I see him.
I took out their whole team, and there was one more. Are you serious?
Fuck, I lost Eb.
That's too funny, dude. That's too funny.
Did the server just go down? Oh, fuck. The fuck? Oh, fuck, it's so laggy.
Nope, server didn't go down. Oh my god, I just killed, like... Did I really just do that, dude? There's no way I just did that. No scoped, like 3 of
I got him, I got him.
Oh my god.
He ran out of ammo. He started laughing.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, this is so funny. They all have like M4s and Mosins and AK-74s used, and I take out 4 of them with my freaking shotgun. This is too funny. Oh my god, I'm running to Cammy. Oh my god, dude. You killed the last one?
Yeah, I killed the last one, and I killed one earlier too.
Oh my god.
He started laughing, it was so funny.